So again, this is for my C6 Corvette. So when I bought the car, someone plastic dipped the rims, and so what happens if you use plastic dip and you don't put enough coatings on or put it in correctly, it doesn't come off. So all this peeled off great, everything like that, but then on all these parts where it's really thin, it doesn't come off in here. And as you can see into the back, that's all overspray. So basically they put a light coating on the inside, kind of give it a black look. And I've been killing myself trying to figure out how to get this stuff off, and I've tried a bunch of things, and I finally came up with a good solution that helps take it off really quickly, and which I'm going to show you guys right now. So what you're going to need, I'll start with the inside because it'll show you the best results on it. This is what I found out works the best. Brake part cleaner. So everybody's always worried about you don't want to get it on the paint on your car, but on the rims, the powder coating on the rims creates a super hard layer, especially when they do the clear coat over top of it. And so the brake cleaner will not take off the powder coating on the rims. So all rims are usually powder coated, so it's a heat sealed paint. So that helps with that. So I'm gonna get right to it. I'm gonna show you guys how this works. Here's what you're gonna do. It's really simple. Shake the can. You're gonna want to do this in a well ventilated area. I'm doing it in my garage right now, but I'm just gonna show you guys a bit of it, show you how it works. So you just give it a good spray. Take a paper towel and just kind of wipe it in. And it starts to come off. And it comes off really good. So that's just the beginning part. Obviously you gotta do it a couple times, get it off. Just keep giving it another spray. Use a clean rag, keep going. And then what I found is that when you start going one way only, and it's easier with two hands, obviously I'm using this to hold that. But that's how it starts to come off. It takes a little bit of work, it takes you a little while. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. I'll do the outsides and insides, and I'll show you guys a rim when it's all complete. Coming along a bit, I'll show you a little bit on how it goes to here. This is the part on the inside, so you just give it a quick spray, give it a quick wipe. You can see it starting to come off. Sorry guys, you can see it starting to come off. Give it a couple wipes, and you can see how it's all kind of coming off. Now even go here, got a little overspray there, but I'm gonna add a bit more. You just keep going all around. It'll all start coming off. See? Even in there. It just starts wiping off like it's nothing. It works really well. It takes a couple applications. You just got to keep at her. Okay? I'll show you when I'm done. You can see the inside's coming along pretty good in there. Just working on the outside. I'll show you when I'm done. So here's how they're coming out after. So this is one, all done, nice and shiny. Obviously that has little bits of blemishes that you would never have noticed that were underneath there until you take off all the plastic dip. This is what they were looking like before, right? So there's that. Here's the front of them. And this is where this one, the plastic dip, I peeled off all the front of the plastic dip that came off. This is the stuff that's not coming off. That was here. Now it's no longer. See, here's another one. Same thing. My opinion, they're coming out pretty good. It's the easiest and fastest fix I found for doing them. Basically, it's gunk. Brake part cleaner works very well to remove all the plastic dip off your rims. Anyways, the reason I'm removing the plastic dip is because I'm going to wrap my rims. Again, I'm going to go with a black because it's just the theme of my car. But I just wanted them to look nice and shiny, and it's always nice to start out with something nice and clean, not trying to put it over any type of garbage or anything that's on them. So I hope this helps you guys out. Do not use this on your car for taking plastic dip off of. Do not use it on the painted parts of your car. Only works on the rims. You put it on the paint on your car and you guys will be peeling the paint off. Okay, take care. Hope this helps. Bye. Quick look at them after they're done. You can see they came out pretty good. You know, some of them a little better than others because obviously until you get into it, you really don't know what's under all that, right? You can see there's still some spots that are, these are marks and things like that that are hard to come out. And those are actually the scratches in the powder coating. That was all covered up, but otherwise, it came out pretty decent. Okay, hope this helps you.